Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanend from English with Village Vlog. Guys, here I am grazing buffaloes. Can you see my buffaloes? They are grazing behind me. So I have only two buffaloes and rest of the buffaloes are my neighbors. So let's start. Actually, today I am going to tell you guys what you have to do in this language, because I know earlier when I used to learn English I used to cry but I couldn't improve. I thought, what should I do, because I have been learning for 1 month, 2 months, even 1 year, but I am not improving. But other people can speak fluent in English. Why I am not able to speak? Other people can speak English. So I did so many things. I discovered so many things, but I couldn't find anything. I thought, what should I do? How should I become fluent in English? Because it was my dream, like you have. So then I just worked on my tense. I worked on my tenses. First, I completed my tenses like past tense, present tense, and future tense. After that, I learned some basic words like come, go, eat, take, shower, take a break, take a rest, take breakfast, like this. Some basic words I learned. After that, I didn't have any partner, so I was helpless. Then I started speaking by myself. And guys, I didn't take so much time because I was helpless. I used to work at my farm. I used to go to graze fellows. Still I graze fellows, guys. So yeah, I went to graze fellows. I used to do this type of work because I am a villager. So I am living here at farmer's home. That is why I didn't get so much time to do hard work on this language. But yeah, due to having this dream, I didn't give up. So whenever I got time, I started learning this language, and finally, like gradually, I started improving day by day, because first I learned tenses and some basic words, and I started speaking by myself while doing work, while grazing buffaloes. Suppose suppose whatever I did yesterday, I explain. Whatever right now, I can explain. Whatever I will do in future time, I can explain. So let's see. Let me tell you how. Suppose earlier I used to practice like this. Okay, yesterday I got up early in the morning. I got fresh. Then my mom made breakfast. Then I took breakfast. After that, I went to farm. In the farm, I worked for 1 hour. After that, I came back home. Then I took shower, took lunch. After taking lunch, I took a siesta for some time. In the evening, my neighbor came and he asked me to go to graze buffaloes. Then we both went to graze buffaloes, and while grazing buffaloes, I played with my friend, and around 6:30 p.m. I came back home. Then I took a rest. Then my mom made tea. Then I took tea. After that, I watched TV, and then I went to bed and slept. Guys, this type of I used to practice. And after that, even I used to ask question and reply by myself. Let me tell you how. Okay, Gyanend, at what time did you wake up yesterday? Yesterday I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, at what time did you take breakfast? I took breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. Who made breakfast? My mom made breakfast. What did she make? She made aloo paratha. Do you like aloo paratha? Yes, I love eating aloo paratha. Okay, so how many parathas did you eat? I ate two parathas. After that, what did you do? After that, I went to farm. In the farm, what did you do? I did some work. How many hours did you work? I worked for 1 hour. Okay, at what time did you come back from the farm? I came back home around 10 o'clock. After that, what did you do? After that, I took shower. After taking shower, I took lunch. What did you have in lunch? I ate like pulse and rice and bread. Okay, then I took siesta. How many hours did you take siesta? I took siesta for 2 hours. After that, my friend came. Who is your friend? He is my neighbor. Okay, what does he do? He is a blazer. Okay, he's a blazer. Yeah, he's a farmer like. Okay, so how old is he? He is 20 years old. Okay, what does he do? He work. I told you, na, that he is a farmer. Okay, great. So at what time did he come to your home? He came to my home 3 p.m. Why did he come to your home at 3 p.m.? He came to my home because he wanted to go to graze buffalo with me. So did you go? Yeah, I went to graze buffalo. So how many buffalo does he have? He has like 3 buffaloes. Okay, and okay. So how many hours did you graze buffalo? I grazed buffalo for 3 hours. Okay, what did you do during grazing buffalo? While grazing buffaloes, I played with my friend. What did you play? I just played randomly game. Okay, so at what time did you come? I came back home around 6 p.m. Then what did you do? I took siesta for. I took a rest for some time. What did you do? After that, my mom, she made tea. I took tea. Okay, so what about like after taking tea? What did you do? After taking tea, I watched TV. What did you watch? Uh, I watched like a movie. What kind of movie did you watch? I watched Hollywood movie. Okay, do you like? Yeah, of course I love. Okay, after that I took dinner. At what time did you take dinner? I took dinner around 9:30. Then I went to bed and slept. This type of practice I used to do that. I didn't think about my mistake and I didn't think about what I was saying. But yeah, after speaking, I can catch my mistake, that okay, which type of mistake I'm doing, how can I correct myself. So if you speak every day, you you can't stop even yourself to become fluent English. Then suppose I'm here and I tried to, those days I tried to you describe my present situation. Suppose guys, I'm wearing a black t-shirt which is not expensive, and this t-shirt was bought 2 days ago. Actually this t-shirt was bought by my father. Okay, so do you like this t-shirt? Yeah, of course I like this t-shirt. Okay, so now what are you doing? Suppose I'm here, I'm grazing buffaloes, and my friend, he is standing in front of me, he is holding camera, he is focusing on me. I am shooting a video for my YouTube channel, and his buffaloes grazing behind him. So apart from buffalo, he has a goat, which is so beautiful, like so good, of course. Okay, so now of course I can say that it is around like 5 p.m. Can you see the sunset? And sun is going down, and still I'm grazing buffaloes. After half an hour, I will go to my home, and then I will take rest. Then I will take dinner and go to bed, and I will sleep. So guys, this type of practice I used to do. If you just practice on your tenses, I'm telling you guys again and again, I just tell you that is practice on basic thing. You don't run after so many advanced things, so many this and that. You spend so much time, forget about those things, just practice on this. Whatever you did, you just explain. Whatever you do, you just explain. Whatever you will do, just explain. Ask question, reply yourself. Do 1 month. I am telling you, you will come to me, or and you will tell you, you will tell me that yes, your tips and tricks are working. Even those tricks like have made me fluent in English. I don't care anything. I don't need any partner. I don't need any institute. I don't need anything. I can Now I can describe myself. Now I'm able to speak English. So when you are able to speak English, you will realize that yes, now I'm confident. I can speak to anyone. And after that, just try to listen so many conversation and throw those. And after watching those conversation, you will get all the advanced thing, all the advanced structure, vocab, everything. You can learn even accent as well after that. So I have told you everything, how to become fluent English, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.